Welcome students in online lecture of 10th Maths First. Student, in earlier videos we had completed topic number 2nd and subtopic number 3rd. Now in this video we will start topic number 4, financial planning. It is financial planning. You had heard the word financial planning or budget. In our daily life we use the word like budget, financial planning. At home our parents make budget of our monthly budget or monthly planning. So what is financial planning? It is based on our in earlier last 2-3 years. The budget will be depends on the financial planning. What is the financial planning means? Here in that topic we see one new concept, that is GST. You had already learned the word GST. What is meant by GST? How many types of GST are there? That is, there are various two types of GST paid. And from when GST started, what is the tax invoice in that GST? What are the different rates of GST, percentage of GST on different foods or different materials? We will see in this topic. Also, we will see what is the how to calculate the tax and various shares, mutual funds. All these concepts are depend on the financial planning. So we see all these concepts in this topic. Now today we will see first what is meant by GST and how to compute tax invoice in GST. We will learn today. So let's start.
Students, in topic number 4, financial planning, we will study different kinds of GST. What is meant by GST? Introduction to GST. How to calculate GST or input tax credit. How to make tax invoice with GST. And what is meant by share, mutual fund, etc. we will see in this topic. So students, in your textbook page number 81, you had given the long form of GST. In our country, we pay some tax, in particular for business. This tax is called as GST. So what is the long form of GST? GST means goods and service tax. This tax is applied on goods and service tax. Okay. So here we will see different types of GST. What are the different types of GST and goods and service tax? We will see. So GST stand for goods and service tax. When the GST starts in our state, GST is start from 1st of July 2017. From this, the GST taxes are start. Here we had given goods and service tax. Which are the different types of goods and service tax? It is shown by tree diagram. There is exercise duty, service tax, custom duty, central surcharge and case, VAT, luxury tax, entertainment tax, CST tax, then CVD and SAD. These are the different types of tax which are payable. Now we will see what is the income tax invoice. How income tax invoice is given. Here I had given one example. See the invoice. Here tax invoice of goods purchase. Sample is given. What are the given things in this invoice? There is name of supplier. Then there is GSTIN. Number is there. invoice number is there, and invoice date is there, and which product we had purchased, these are given in this invoice tax. Okay, and name of the product, its rate, quantity, its taxable amount, what is its CGST and SGST, these things are given in this tax invoice. So see here one tax invoice is given as a sample. What is the supplier name? A to Z Sweet Mart, or we know D Mart, S Mart are there. Such type of names are there taken as supplier. And first is name of the supplier and then given address. Here given address is there, and then mobile number and email is given. So in that supplier, name of supplier, address, mobile number and email is given. Invoice number, here invoice number is given. What is invoice number? GST/110. It number is given to that mart. Okay, and here GSTIN number is given. What is this GSTIN number? We will see next. Now see which products are given here. There are 5 products, serial name are given, name of the product are given, and each HSN code is given. What is meant by HSN code here? Here this is one type of code given to the each product. Each product it is given the HSN code. Long form means harmonize the system of nomenclature. Here nomenclature is given to that product and its code is generated. We called it as HSN code. Rate is given, quantity and taxable amount. Next here CGST and SGST is given. What is meant by CGST? Central Goods and Service Tax, and SGST State Goods and Service Tax. सेंट्रल केंद्रीय हा असतो टॅक्स आणि हा स्टेटचा टॅक्स आपल्या राज्याचा टॅक्स म्हणून SGST, आणि सेंट्रल केंद्राचा टॅक्सला काय म्हणायचं आहे? CGST. These 2 types of taxes are included in GST. So each in tax invoice there are these 2 types of taxes are included. We must pay these 2 taxes. Okay, and all this calculation is done here. Total rupees of CGST, total rupees of SGST is given, and then total amount means in our product which we had to purchase, this purchase product rate plus GST rate we have to include. So we have to given total amount is taxable amount plus CGST plus SGST we have to give. Okay, in that tax invoice we had learned some new words, that is GST, CGST and HGST. I had told you CGST means CGST is Central Goods and Service Tax, which is to be paid to the central government. It is paid to central government. And SGST means State Goods and Service Tax, which is to be paid to the state government. CGST is paid to central government and SGST is paid to state government. So there are 2 types of GST, CGST and SGST. Now one new concept is in the tax invoice, that is GSTIN, means this is the number. What is the long form of this? Goods and Service Tax Identification Number. This is the number which is identification for tax. GSTIN is mandatory for dealer whose annual turnover is previous financial year exceeds rupees 20 lakhs. Who give this number? We give the number to those dealers whose previous financial year exceeds rupees 20 lakhs. ज्यांचं प्रिव्हियस इयरचे इन्कम 20 लॅक्सच्या वर होणार आहे, एक्सिड्स, अशा डीलरना हा GSTIN नंबर दिला जातो. अँड इन दॅट GSTIN नंबर देर आर, what is the GSTIN number? GSTIN number has 15 alpha numericals. Yeah, GSTN number, we had seen the sample of that invoice. In that GSTN number, there are 15 numbers. See here, for example, here given 27 A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, H, 1, Z, 5. These are the 15 alpha numerals. Means there are alphabetical numbers also and numbers are also. All these together 15 alpha numerals are there. In that 15 alpha numerals, 10 digit number is PAN card of dealer. या 15 अल्फा न्यूमरल्समध्ये 10 डिजिट जो नंबर आहे तो का असतो? पॅन नंबर. तुम्हाला सर्वांना पॅन नंबर माहिती आहे, परमनंट अकाउंट नंबर. या पॅन नंबर त्या डीलरचा पॅन नंबर त्यामध्ये इन्क्लूड असतो. सो रिमेनिंग 5 न्यूमरल्स, विच आर दॅट 5 न्यूमरल्स? आउट ऑफ 15, 10 आर PAN number of dealer and remaining 5 are, what are the remaining 5? You see here, 1 represent 1 registration. If there is only 1 registration, then here written as 1. Then uniform for all, Z number is there in that number, which is uniform for all. By default it is same to all. And then 5 number is check some digit or confirm the validity of GSTN number when entered on GST portal. There is GST portal, there is this digit number. And starting number, it is most important. Here starting number is 27, which is 2 digit number, and this is the state code of this is the state code. This 2 digit number is state code. Here our Maharashtra state code is 27. So here the number appears 27 starting. Okay. At the starting there is code of state. Maharashtra state code is 27. You remember our Maharashtra code state code is 27. Now students, in textbook page number 84, there is given one table which represent in which atom there is what is the rate of GST is there. You observe this table in page number 84 carefully. You will get the answer of various products rate of GST. What are the rates of GST? 0%, 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. And what is the 0% rate of GST is on which atom? Here given 5% rate of GST is on which atom? 12%, 18% and 28% rate of GST is on different types of atom. You see and observe on the page number 84. See which types of GST and rate of GST is available. First type is given 0 rated, that is here rate of GST is 0%. On which goods and service items? Essential commodities like food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, salt, earthen pots, etc. These are the goods which has the rate of GST 0. Means on these goods there is no GST is applicable. And which are the services items? Charitable trust activities, transport of water, use of roads and bridges, public library, agriculture related service, education and health care services, etc. services, there is no rate of GST is applied. Because these are the essential things in goods. See, food grains, fruits, vegetables, milk, salt and earthen pots. These are the essential things. So there is no GST on these goods and services. Now second type is low rated. Which are the low rated? That is here rate of GST is low, means 5% is there. On which goods? Commonly used items. What are the commonly used items? LPG cylinder, tea, coffee, oil, honey, frozen vegetables, spices, sweets, etc. goods. They have GST rate 5%. And services, railway transport, service, bus transport service, taxi service, air transport, hotel providing foods and etc. are the services which has rate of GST 5%. Then third type is standard rated, that is first slab. It has rate of GST 12%. Which are the goods? Consumer goods, butter, ghee, dry fruits, jam, jelly, sauces, pickles, mobile phone, etc. Means these are the goods. And services, printing job works, guest house, services related to construction business. In these services, there is rate of GST 12%. Fourth type is standard rated, that is second slab. It has rate of GST 18%. Most of the goods and services are here included. Which are the goods? Marble, granite, perfumes, metal items, computer, printer, monitor, CCTV cameras, etc. have 18% GST. And which services have 18% GST? Courier services, outdoor catering, circus drama, cinema, exhibitions, currency exchange, broker services in share trading, etc. have 18% GST. Now look, the last one is fifth, highly rated. What is the rate of GST here? Here rate of GST is 28%. See which goods are here. Luxury item, motorcycles and spare parts, luxury cars, pan masala, vacuum cleaner, dishwashers, AC, washing machine, fridge, tobacco products, etc. are goods which has 28% GST. And services, 5-star hotels, accommodation, water parks, theme parks, casino, race course, IPL games. You see the IPL games in television. It has rate of GST on that service. IPL game service, there is rate of GST is 28%. Air transport, etc. have good, etc. services have 28% GST. From this GST table, you observe that which are essential foods or goods or services are there. It has the GST rate lowest, that is 0%, 5%, because these are the essential things for our human being. And which are not essential, most of these things which are not essential for us, means mobile service or any type of electrical service, this has the GST rate highest, that is 12%, 18% and 28%. थोडक्यात सांगायचं झालं तर बघा, आपल्याला ज्या अतिशय आवश्यक गोष्टी आहेत यांचा GST रेट काय असतो, कमी असलेला इथं दिसून येतोय. आणि ज्या चैनीच्या वस्तू आहेत, ज्या आपल्याला अत्यावश्यक नाही आहेत, उदाहरणार्थ मोबाईल असेल, TV किंवा कॉम्प्युटर असेल, सिनेमा और कुरियर सर्व्हिस किंवा एखादं वॉशिंग मशीन, AC यांच्या किमती, फ्रीज, हे सर्व काय आहेत, यामध्ये रेट ऑफ GST काय आहे, जास्त आपल्याला दिसून येतो. सो स्टुडंट्स, you now know what is mean by GST, what is CGST, SGST, HSN number, then GSTIN number, and what are the GST rates for different goods and services. We had learned all these concepts. Now we see some solved examples in page number 86. What is given here? First question, Aarti Gas Agency supplied LPG cylinder to the consumers for taxable value of rate of rupees 545. GST charged is 5%. What is the amount of CGST and SGST in the tax invoice? What is the total amount paid by the consumer? Find the amount of GST to be paid by Aarti Gas Agency. Okay, you understand the question meaning? Here, what is the supplier name? Aarti Gas Agency, which supplies LPG cylinder to consumers. And here we had given taxable value. It is a taxable value of LPG cylinder is rupees 545. And on this taxable value, GST charged. What is the rate of GST? 5%. We just seen the chart of the GST rate. In that 5% is GST is on LPG cylinder is given. Okay. So here GST is applied on taxable value. You remember this thing. Whenever GST is applied, it is applied on taxable value. So here taxable value of LPG cylinder is 545 and GST applied is 5%. So we have to find CGST and SGST and GST. So let's start. What is the here rate of GST? 5% is given. We know here, you remember one thing, rate of CGST and rate of SGST is half of the rate of GST. GSTचा रेटच्या हाफ काय असणार आहे? CGST आणि SGST. And CGST and SGST are same. Rate of CGST is equal to rate of SGST. So here rate of GST is 5%. Half of 5 is 2.5. Therefore, rate of CGST is 2.5% and rate of SGST is also 2.5%. You get first number question. Now we have to find amount of CGST. So CGST is equal to, what is the rate of CGST? 2.5%. It is applied on taxable value. And what is the taxable value? 545. So we get CGST is equal to 2% of taxable value. 2.5% of taxable value. That is 2.5% means 2.5 upon 100 into taxable value is 545. You calculate this, you get the answer rupees 13.63. So CGST and SGST rate is rupees is 13.63. So on 545, Aarti Gas Agency had to pay SGST plus CGST. So total amount paid by the consumer is, कंझ्युमरला किती अमाऊंट भरायला लागेल? टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? 545. त्यामध्ये कंझ्युमरला CGST आणि SGST भरावा लागणार आहे. मीन्स अमाऊंट पेड बाय कंझ्युमर इज इक्वल टू टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू प्लस CGST plus SGST. You may write CGST plus SGST as only GST. Okay. CGST आणि SGST बद्दल डायरेक्ट नुसतं GST लिहिलं तरी चालेल. Or you write GST is equal to CGST plus SGST. So calculate this 545 plus 13.63 plus 13.63. You get the answer 572.23. So total GST paid is, total GST किती भरावा लागला त्यांना? 13.63 SGST plus 13.63 CGST is equal to 27.26 rupees paid GST. Understand? So here, when the gas agency supplied to the consumer, then consumer had to pay rupees of taxable value plus GST. See second question. Courier service agent charged total rupees 590 to courier a parcel from Nashik to Nagpur. In the tax invoice, taxable value is rupees 500, on which CGST is rupees 45 and SGST is rupees 45. Find the rate of rate of GST charged on this service. Here we have to find rate of GST. So what is the total GST here? CGST plus SGST. 45 plus 45, 90. And here given rate of GST is equal to, what is the rate of GST here? On how many amount? Taxable amount value is 500. 500 and 90 into 100. So here rate of GST is 90 upon 500 into 100. 0 get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are. So 18%. Therefore, rate of GST charged by agent is 18%. Now see the third example. Shrikar bought a laptop with 10% discount on printed price. The printed price of laptop was rupees 50,000. 18% GST was charged on discounted price. Find the amount of CGST and SGST. What amount did Shrikar pay? Here, what is the discount given? 10% is discount given on printed price. What is the printed price of laptop? 50,000. So discount is 10% of 50,000 means rupees 5,000. You calculate this, simplify. 10 upon 100 into 50,000. 20 get cancelled. So answer is 5,000. Therefore, taxable value of laptop is, we have to find taxable value of laptop. So we must subtract discount. 50,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 45,000. This is the taxable value of laptop. Here rate of GST is given 18%. Therefore, rate of CGST is half of this, means 9%. And rate of CGST is 9%. And rate of SGST is also 9%. So CGST is 9% of taxable value, 45,000. You calculate this, you get answer 4,050. So amount paid is equal to, what amount did he pay? He had to pay amount taxable value plus CGST plus SGST, that is equal to 53,100. So Shrikar paid rupees 53,100 for laptop. Okay, understand? So students, today's your homework is solve these examples in your notebook. Okay, thank you.